Welcome back, viewers, for another episode of Dawn's Fishing Adventures. I said today before, we're in a brand new spot. I'm excited but also a bit nervous because I want to catch fish. No one's out here to help me, but it doesn't matter. You got to find your own, you got to make your own history. What I'm doing, I've got some burley pellets in here. I'm going to throw this overboard, just like now. I've anchored up, something I don't usually do because I found a rock patch out here. With the burley, hopefully going to attract the fish coming in. I'm just going to throw out my rigs out here. At the moment, the good old squid pieces, 2 hooks, bit of a bait. I'm using lighter gear later on. Wish me luck, fellas, and hopefully we can get the big snapper. Bullshit. Oh, another kelpie. I probably should only use one rod because I'm probably missing a few bites. It's not very deep here at all. I've got this leader and I can actually see it from where it's tied onto the braid. Whoa! Is he on? Yeah, it's on. Yeah, it's got a bit of curry. What have I got? Ah, another kelpie. There you go. Another kelpie. Whoa! Now these fish are called kelpie because they actually live amongst the kelp. But when you fillet them, they're nice white meat. So that's not too bad. Just moved to a different location. Another rock. It's nothing too big, but what have I got here? Another kelpie. What are you going to do with these kelpies? This one here we're just going to throw back. There you go. Whoa. Whoa, what the hell is this? What the? Now that's a new for me. That's a some type of leather jacket. Check that out. I haven't seen one of these for years. I reckon they're good eating, so I think I might give this a shot. Nice leather jacket. Beauty. I heard there's some big calamari here. I don't think the calamari did that to the boat. Righto, so we've got our fish, we've got the leather jacket and the 2 kelpies. They've gone off the bite, they've gone on the strike again. So we're going to go home, cook them up. Stay tuned. I hope you're hungry. I hope you're hungry. Right, so we're back on dry land. I've cleaned the boat, had a few beers, rehydrate myself again. And now I'm going to prepare this leather jacket. It's a first for me. I have done it before on a smaller scale. This one's a bit big, but I didn't realise all we're going to be saving is probably about that much. That's edible. This is all head and guts. So I'm going to clean it up, show you what we're going to do. So what I'm doing is just poking the knife through the skin, bring it all the way down to the last fin. Like that, and then I'm just going to grab the skin and try and pull. Oh yeah, it comes off quite easily. There you have it, some nice white meat underneath. Just rip it off. How about that? This skin, the texture on it, it's It's like sandpaper. Really strange feeling. Anyway, so that's that white meat we're going to be using. Clean it up and I'll show you what we're going to do. Now we're going to dress it. Bit of parsley, some salt, both sides, chili powder, now what we're going to do, put it in our smoker. Right. Put the grill in. Oh. Got our wood chips which we put on the bottom. This guy here is going to be smoked. There we go. What we do now is get some bio flame. Dip it into a little canister. Look at that. What we're going to do is light this and then put this on top. There's one more ingredient I forgot to let you know. A bit of bourbon or whiskey. Marinate it a bit, gives you a smoky flavour. Rub it in. I reckon we're right. What we can do is get our flame, light it up. Woo. Put this on top. Make sure it's central. Put the lid on. Maybe, I don't know, 10 minutes. See all the smoke coming up. You're ready to have some tucker. Okay, it's been about 10-15 minutes. I can smell it. Let's see the end product. Woo! Check that out. Now that's what you call a smoked leather jacket. It's definitely cooked because the meat's coming off the bone. I just grabbed this little piece here and oh mate, really this is fantastic. Probably a bit more salt, but that is how you do it on Dom's Fishing Adventures. Smoked leather jacket, freshly caught today. If you like what I'm doing, you want to keep up to date, press my head right here in the corner. We'll see you guys next time.